This is the definition of a struggle. Where is he going, yo?
Eric is a fool, yo. That boy gonna be stressed, yo, after this shit. He can't make it nowhere.
Pootie, look at this fool.
Look at Eric and his dog.
Where's
Right here, man.
Why are you recording this?
I got to. I gotta send this to somebody.
Yeah, the dog didn't even want to get in the snow, man.
No.
This is the struggle for real.
Eric is crazy.
He gonna get that McDonald's. And he is not playing.
Why?
He is not playing. He getting that McDonald's. He is not playing.
Oh, where is that dog going?
Where is it?
Over here, look. He making it up that hill.
He about to turn back around. All that for nothing.